How to search classic shirts in Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the step-by-step process of locating the classic shirts within the Roblox platform. It's a straightforward and efficient method, so ensure that you follow along closely. The procedure remains consistent regardless of the device you're using. Initially, you need to log into your account irrespective of the platform, and once logged in, tap on the icon and navigate to the shop. Inside the shop, to find the classic shirts, head to the clothing tab at the top. Here you will find the options for the classic shirts, classic t-shirts and classic pants. Simply choose the classic shirts to commence exploring the collection. If you're looking for a specific classic shirt, you can utilize the search function located at the top right corner of the screen to input your desired search query. This process remains consistent on all the platforms, including the computers. Just visit the avatar shop and locate the classic shirts tab. I trust that this guide has been beneficial in assisting you with searching for the classic shirts in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for additional quick and convenient tips. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.